Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about three important Java entry questions. What is the benefit of subclass in Java? Subclass inherits all the public methods and the implementation. The subclass inherits all the protected methods and their implementation. The subclass inherits all the default methods and their implementation. Subclass also inherits all the public, protected, default member variables from the superclass. The constructors are not part of this inheritance model. Please remember, all the methods and variables are inherited, but the constructors will not be involved in the inheritance process. Where and how can you use private constructor? Private constructor can be used if you do not want any other class to create your object using new. The instantiation is done from a static public method, which is used when dealing with factory method. I can also say singleton pattern also uses the same. So for a singleton pattern you have to mark the constructor as private, because I don't want anyone to instantiate my object. I will take the responsibility. The class will take the responsibility to create the object. So private constructors will be used to control the creation of an object. I want to repeat, to control the creation of an object, you can use private constructor. In system.out.println, what is system out and println? System is a predefined final class. Out is a print stream object acting as a field member in the system class, and println is a built-in overloaded method in the out object. So you have a system class, and out is a variable. It's a field member variable in the system class, and this print stream has this println method. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.